Hi there, this is Anna Dolopo, and this is my 99th video and also my 11th video specifically for fertility. I've been in practice since 1999, and this video is specifically for anyone who wants to work with me regarding fertility, whether it's natural or with Western fertility care. The reason why I'm doing an 11th video is this one is specifically for the logistics that you may want to know before you come in, and also prior to me sending any information. This video is going to definitely be required before I send you more information. Fertility is not my specialty. Fertility, however, is something that I have a very high success rate in. The 10th video I did for fertility is extremely important. It's an hour and 2 minutes, and I really break down to you requests on how to make some changes in your life. The initial treatment is $130. My treatments, my rates are subject to change. So the initial treatment, I ask for an hour and a half to 2.5 hours. The $130 includes 20 to 30 minutes that we have a private consultation and a minimum of 45 minutes with the needles. I do request that you leave a minimum of an hour and a half up to 2.5 hours or even longer. But I do request for this long period of time for your first visit. I would really like to listen to you in the first 20 to 30 minutes during our consultation and hear your story. I've put information regarding my advice in many videos so far, because you can review them, you can go over them with your partner, and you can understand what exactly to expect from me. I go over in those videos what to, if you or will be recommended to be in the 6 to 12 month cycle, or 6 to 12 cycle recommendation, 12 to 18 cycle recommendation, or 2 to 3 years. The first treatment, the $130, includes a 1-year membership. So most people, their follow-up appointments are without a private consultation. So again, the prices are subject to change, but as of July 2020, the follow-up appointments are $90 without the membership. Your membership for a year is $80 without a private consultation. If you want to know what the follow-ups are with a private consultation, I will send you those rates. I just want to let you know the first visit is $130 and your follow-ups are $80. I guarantee a minimum of 45 minutes. It's critical that you can stay as long as possible, much longer than 45 minutes. My patients stay 1 to 3 hours. I guarantee 45 minutes, but if I don't need the table or chair, it is extremely important that you consider staying longer and not be rushed during your appointments. After this video, please text me and say I'm ready to receive more information, and I will send you a lot of information. The information is not to be reviewed all in one sitting. You're going to review it slowly to make sure that you understand exactly what to expect out of me. I understand how difficult this is for many women who want to become mommies. This is my 21st year in practice. I started practice on June 6, 1999. I conceived my children at 30, 36, and 43 naturally. I will leave a lot of the details regarding health in for you to watch, especially in my 10th video. The 10th fertility video is an hour and 2 minutes that really breaks down how you can become more empowered and make some critical changes in your life if you really want to become a mommy. I really break a lot of stuff down in those videos. I just want to let you know what the rates are, and I would like for you to know, if you go to elementsinharmonyacupuncture.com, I've divided my testimonials in certain sections. The fertility has its own section. I'm still transferring a lot of data, a lot of previous case reports from movierqi.com and committedtobetterme.com. Those are both my previous websites. I'm sharing this 11th video because I really would like for you to know that I understand how difficult It probably has been, whether it's for natural fertility or with IUI, IVF, or whatever else you've been doing. I understand. This is my 21st year in practice, and at least 60 to 80% of my day is helping women become mommies, either with natural medicine or with Western fertility care. This is not my specialty. My specialty is helping people graduate from pain and suffering. So, autoimmune issues, people undergoing oncology therapy with their radiation, chemotherapy. I really go to the root of the problem. If you go to my case studies under elementsinharmonyacupuncture.com, you'll see what kind of patients, what level of patience my patients have with me. So my work is to make sure that you understand before you even come in the level of commitment financially and time. And if you don't have that kind of commitment that you can share, it's totally okay. I just would like for you to know that I will then give you referrals to my other colleagues that are tremendous doctors here in Orange County. They will be of tremendous benefit to you. My kids right now are 16, 10, and 2. I know what it takes to have to be patient. I'm asking for your patience. I just shared with you my rates. My hours right now, subject to change, are Mondays from 10 to 5. Tuesdays, I do not typically take new patients in the evening. I start at 4. Wednesdays, I am off. Thursdays, I typically do not take new patients. I work 10 to 11 a.m. I'm off for the rest of the day. And Friday, I typically work 10 to 5. And Saturdays, I work 1 to 5 or 1 to 4. Oftentimes, I extend my hours. My hours are subject to change. I do ask for patients to schedule online if that is convenient for you at elementsinharmonyacupuncture.com, or you can text me at 619-341-4341 and I will schedule you personally. I'm happy to do it. Just provide your full name and your own individual email address. Every patient has to have their own email address. So when you share with me your information, full name and email, I will schedule you the schedule time. We'll say 40 minutes, but you're going to be with me for at least an hour and a half to 2.5 hours. So again, my availability is online. If it looks full, it probably is. So just text me, or you can call my office landline at 949-305-1703, but I respond to text much faster. I usually will tell someone if I need to get back to you at a certain time, or if it may take me a day to the most 48 hours to respond. Patience and time and a lot of faith will help you really get the most out of working with me. I want this baby for you just as much as you want this baby for you, but it's not going to happen if you don't understand how long this is going to take. 6 to 12 cycles, 12 to 18 cycles, or 2 to 3 years. And if you don't have that kind of time or patience or willingness to work with me, it's okay. I am now, please, requesting all of my fertility patients to do what they have to do Qigong with me. I only do Qigong once or maybe twice a month at the beach in San Clemente. It's right on the ocean, and it's another powerful way to increase your fertility. I'm not going to guarantee you a baby, but I can tell you that working with me or another acupuncturist will definitely help increase your chances for carrying your baby to full term. If you go to my website, elementsinharmonyacupuncture.com, and under fertility, it shows that also with IUI, IVF, I ask for twice a week for 6 months. I don't really deviate from that. So if you want to come and you don't have minimum 3 months, but definitely 6 months minimum to work with me twice a week, please be very, very patient. I ask humbly for your patience. Um, I'd rather you know a lot of these details before you come in. Before you come in, because 20 to 30 minutes consultation is enough for me to really listen to you. But if you don't have a clear expectation of what it takes to work with me to have this dream of yours become a reality, it may become a colossal waste of time and money. And I'd rather you know before you come in, this is going to be a real commitment and a change of lifestyle. So you have my rates, you have my hours, you have my website. My cell phone again that you can text is 619-341-4341. And if you feel at this point that you would like to go further, I'm happy to send you a lot of text information. Just know that. And it may take you a few days to go through them. And if you want to make an appointment, just schedule online or schedule with me. And I really do hope that what we share together is something that you can cherish as much as me, because I want to make sure that our journey together is fun, is happy, and we have a mutual respect for each other, and that we help you grow your family, like the picture that I have there. Lots and lots of changes is what is going to be ahead of you. That's what this video is about. If you prefer to not work with me, I'm okay with that. And just text me and say, hey, Anna, who are your referrals? And I will send you happily my referrals, who will probably have very different expectations from you, and you will have different expectations from them. We all bring to our practice different philosophies and approaches, and that's what makes Chinese medicine very beautiful. So I hope you have a great day. I really hope you have a beautiful life with a baby, and if I can be a part of that, that would be tremendous. Take care.